Hey guys, it's Skully here once again for the third time today, and like I said earlier, which I believe still has to upload, I'm gonna do Powder Game, yay! And this is one of my favorite worlds. I'm not gonna be using that much wind, but the wind is the key to destruction, also fire and magma. Watch this. See that? Red is the weakest, but it comes with the most. So it's what mainly does all the hard work. It goes everywhere. See that? That's just from red wind. The green wind is mainly in the corners and sides. It pushes all the side stuff around to get it loose. And the blue is the most powerful. It comes very low, but whenever something touches it, it just launches it. So watch. See, there's some green there. That's how you know wind is there. Oh, I got it. I hit it all that long. Yeah. Oh. So now all the red is coming. The green is coming. So that's good. That's good. See, the red's going everywhere. The blue just destroyed that. See the blue there? In that area, that is what pushes everything. It turns all the wind. So if something goes near the blue, then it pushes wind towards it, and everything tries to overtake. All the wind tries to overtake the blue, but it just pushes the blue. Here's gonna be another one of my worlds. There. I'm going to do a waterfall because why not? Waterfalls are nice. You know? Waterfalls are one of the best things in the world, I think. Well, not the best thing in the world, but you know. You know what I mean. So much water. See that? That's just from a bit of fire. And the water overtakes it. Hey, it's a fountain! Yay! Let's use some magma to make ice. Icy cold. Oh, it's icy cold. It's just digging in. When did that stone get in there? When stone come? When stone come into this equation? When did stone come into this freaking equation? So let's do my C4 world. This one of my best wind worlds. So there's that. It's causing some wind. The first caused some wind. My dots are going up like crazy. So it's just gonna went on impact. Boom! On impact. And then you can cause even more wind while you use fire. This game is just awesome. Plain awesome. Okay? So, also, another unique feature that I find cool. Players. Player. So this is the stuff that they'll shoot. So I guess I'll use some fire. Fire. So now let's go to player. Oh, it depends on what their head touches. Oh, I get it. I was wondering why it never shoot what I wanted to shoot. Oh, I'm dumb. First, does magma melt metal? It drips through it. Oh my god. Why? What did he do to you? Gosh, that's just hideous. This is my little Earth right here. This is my little Earth. My little Earth. My little Earth. So, one dot of magma destroys everything. Wow. So much wind. Whee! Fire and death and more fire, more death. All of a sudden. I like all of a sudden. I just like that word. So here's my other oil worlds. Exact same thing. Ooh, this is one of my favorite ones. Because I get to do this. Bomb it. Bombs. Bams. I swear I am not a terrorist. I just like, it's just a game. It's just a game. It's just a game. Don't sue me. This is Taitland. I'm bombing my own country. Taitland. Don't judge me. If you're watching and you're one of my friends and you don't know about Taitland, don't unfriend me at school. I'm telling you. Don't unfriend me. Okay? You do not want to see my bad side. Trust me. If someone was my friend and then they betrayed me, then they're going to see my bad side. Some people get to see my bad side, some people don't. If you don't, well, you'll all, and you know me, then good. You haven't seen it yet. You're going to see it soon, so you might as well just accept it and now. Yeah. Own. Acid is one of the most powerful things in this game, I believe. Oh, just remembered, powerful. I'm going to show you the 3 most powerful things. First, number 3, acid. That's just from acid. If you think that something else should take its place, then yeah, just tell me in the comments. But acid, yeah. It's powerful. Weak. Wow. Gonna load the second most powerful thing. Wind. From wind. And the second, let me just destroy this because, boom, that's an explosion. Oh, before I do number 1, I want to do a quick explosion. Okay, quick explosion. Oops. Nope. I accidentally messed up on that. So I'll do a quick explosion on something else. That right there is one of my favorite worlds. The tall thing that I was using. It's one of my favorite worlds. So this was supposed to be a waterfall world. A bunch of them were supposed to be waterfalls. Kapooya! Yeah, kapooya! I know that saying. Kapooya! One of my favorite sayings in the world. I'm gonna do another kapooya. Okay. Kapooya! It's like a meteor. Kapooya! Oh my god. So much wind. It's all the wind that destroys everything. Now, I'm gonna use the most deadly thing. It includes wind, but it's mainly the nitro. This stuff is freaking deadly. It leaks over, goes over, it explodes mixed with fire. Explodes. Yeah. Explosion. I knew that was happening, and it still made me jump. That's how big the explosion is. Ooh, that was an accident. Ooh, it exploded. Okay, let's do this one because it's a quick, easy one. That is like a nitro plus fire is basically the equivalent of a nuclear bomb. Yeah. Equivalent of a nuclear bomb. See? Nuclear. And if any fire gets a ride on the wind and reaches the ground sand, which it's this, then that happens. Let me show you one of my stone worlds. I haven't tried this, so I don't know if it's gonna affect it or not. But I'll just get close. Wow, it barely. Ooh, it sinks in, then it comes out. Oh God! Oh God! Look at that right there. Oh God! Let's do it times 8. No, not times 8. Not times 8. Let's do it times 4. Let's do it times 2. Okay, times 2 is good. Goes in, comes out, destroying everything. Magma. Calls for magma. Magma just sits on it. Magma just sits on it. Stone is the most defending thing. It defends everything. So, does that mean I put 2 layers of stone there, and I use not acid. You do not want to see what happens with acid. It doesn't explode. Believe me on that. Just it goes straight through it. So, yeah. What does this do? Just moves it. Oh my God, it protects it. This is a missile. What you're about to see is a missile. It doesn't explode on impact. Missile. Oh my God. So I guess that's gonna be it for now. That was a missile right that you're seeing. That's good for now. Thank you all for watching and tune in next time.